So, when you search for the most beautiful city in Germany, one name keeps popping up: Heidelberg. Heidelberg, Heidelberg, Heidelberg.
Today I'm in one of the oldest and allegedly most beautiful university towns in Germany. Welcome to Heidelberg.
So Johanna and I currently on our Europe trip, leaving Amsterdam, deciding to stop for a night in Germany's allegedly most beautiful city to see if it lives up to the hype. But of course, nothing went as planned. And there, our car is gone. Guys, I wanted to start the video tomorrow, but they took away our rental car. So yeah, we're now in Heidelberg, just arrived today. We wanted to make a video about the most beautiful city in Germany, which a lot of people are saying, Heidelberg, the most pretty city in Germany. While we arrived here, the car started smelling really bad, and yeah, now somebody took it away. We don't have a car, and we only stayed 2 nights here before we're heading to Switzerland. So yeah, tomorrow I hope we'll get a car. Not sure how much time we'll have tomorrow, because I want to show you Heidelberg tomorrow, but we first need to go get a car. So guys, but that's part of travel, I guess. We still don't get our car, but yeah, but does it help to wait? So we're gonna go to the city now before we pick up our car, and we're gonna go by e-scooter. Johanna, can you drive e-scooter?
Never.
But you can. Easy, huh? Easy peasy. Let's do it. It's a little bit shaky, but you can do it. Can we do that? Okay, then I get one too now. Johanna say her eyes fill with tears. Oh, is it? Can you see it? No, yes. So guys, we're now at the old city of Heidelberg. Most beautiful city in Germany, but to be honest, until now, I'm not sure why.
It is pretty.
It is pretty, but it is not like
I like.
insane, right? I mean, but we will continue to search why. I mean, the old houses and stuff, okay. But we have that in a lot of villages in Germany, I would say. Yeah, let's continue to figure it out. Okay, here's like the town square with a church and a fountain that is not on. Again, not hating, but it's pretty. It is pretty. But I don't know, man. A lot of German villages looks like this. I mean, I've lived close to a village that looks like this. Maybe I need to look more. So we're gonna continue the search. We are now in the town square of the old town. Hello, Johanna. Maybe we need to go off the beaten path, you know, to find the jewels.
Jewels.
Let's go this way to the water there, to the Rhine. You know that we all the time we drive past the Rhine, like in Köln, Düsseldorf. It's all the same lake.
Really?
And now we're so far in the south now, in Heidelberg.
Still the same lake.
Still the same lake. Okay, what we got here? Die Brücke verteidigt am 16. Oktober 19 gegen den Ansturm der Franzosen und heldenmütiger Tapferkeit und siegreichen. Okay. So 1799 the French people attacked, and this bridge protected the town. It's kind of pretty. So yeah, look at that up there. There's a castle. Maybe that's the special thing. I mean, it looks nice. Look at this. Here you got the Rhine, you got houses, and there's a castle. I think we need to go up that castle there. Looks impressive from here, eh? Yeah, we're gonna go up the castle. Have a look. Nett hier, aber waren Sie schon mal auf dem Weltturbo-Jugendtagen in Hamburg und haben sich eine Woche 20 Liter Bier ins Maul geschüttelt? Nee. But guys, we're here at the Zugang zum Heidelberger Schloss in Baden-Württemberg. So let's see if this can convince us that this is the most pretty town in Germany. For Johanna says for her yes, right? Yeah. For you it's the most pretty town in Germany until now?
Yeah.
How come? Tell us. Sorry?
It's aesthetic. We like aesthetic stuff.
Aesthetic it is. What mischievous cave is that?
I think at that time, I don't know.
They say they have prisons for students here. If students don't behave good, then they put them into students' prisons.
Really?
Oh, look at this tree. Pretty. I want to have a look inside. Look there, the deer is showing his tongue. Blech. I don't know. It's a cave, told you. Große Grotte. Created in 1615 under Electra Richard by Simon of course part of
1615. Oh my God, that's a long time ago. You hear that sound?
Yeah, it's on purpose. There are shells and corals and everything. Huh. But not sure for what. So guys, we are now at the Heidelberger Castle, the Heidelberger Schloss. It's the back side of it here. There's this beautiful garden and it is really, really pretty. You have like an amazing view down to Heidelberg on the other side of the Rhine, and there's like a bit of mountains and forests, and it's all very fally basically. So it's very pretty. I get it why it's considered one of the most beautiful towns in Germany. Yeah, maybe I'm biased as a German myself, you know. Ooh. Yeah guys, I don't know. Castle, yeah? So Heidelberg, you are very pretty. Maybe not the prettiest town in Germany. She likes
No,
again.
no, it's not the prettiest. Hamburg also look like this.
True. But thanks for having us. And yeah, that was it. It was basically a walking vlog today. Having a little talk. Johanna and I are leaving tomorrow already again. A fly flew in my mouth. I taste it. Proteins. Anywho, we got a car now, a Golf manual. I can drive manual, but it's been a long time, so that will be in action tomorrow. We're driving to Interlaken, Switzerland. That will be very nice, so stay tuned. And we are climbing up the stairs to get to our park car. Thank you for watching, guys.